In this lesson, we're going to be looking at getting started using the company data module. Clicking on the second icon, will bring up the PES Client Company Data Module. Typically, when you start your program, you'll have maybe a sample company and some normatives involved in this section. What we're going to do is we're going to add a new company. Here you'll come up with a window asking you to add in the name of the new company, click the OK button, and the new company will appear. You can use this to also add any departments if the program is being used for a company in particular. Also add in your address, your city, and your state, zip code. You can add in phone numbers, fax number, email addresses, and a contact person. Down in this section, it's asking you what type of client, whether it would be a test client or a meter client. If you select test client, then you'll be able to give them run tests for that individual. If you select meter client, you'll be able to transmit meters to them, or you can select both of them. Adding a price down here in the price area. If you print an invoice using the internal invoice system, it will automatically use that price for this individual. Next, what we're going to do is we need to add normative to this company. We have a number of different options on doing normatives. In a later lesson, we'll actually look at creating normatives, but for now what we're going to do is add a normative. If you select the Add All Default Normatives, it will add approximately 30 normatives to the system, or you can add them one at a time, the ones that you would need. So we're going to select Add Normative Pattern. We're going to borrow from an existing company, and what we're going to do is we're going to select one. We're going to select Bank Branch Manager. We'll keep the name the same, or you can change the name of the pattern. Click the OK button. It actually brings up the Edit Normative module, so you can change any of the parameters that you'd like to change, or you can just save it. Since this is a generic, I'm going to select Generic. It is a manager, so I'm going to select Management Position. I'm going to select Save, and then I'm going to select Exit. At this point, it has added the normative to your available normatives for this company. Once you've added your client company or your department, you can then move on to the management module, where you'll actually do the scoring for the profile evaluation system and the participants or candidates.